Great, let's look at what's inside the box. We have a welcome card, as well as a way to get 2 free scrubs in exchange for a video review. We have installation instructions. It takes less than 5 minutes to install. We have a 3-pack of Eco Sponges. We have a hanger that you can put on the side of your shower wand. This allows you to hang your scrub in between showers. And then we have your EcoShower kit. Now, your kit is available in 2 different versions depending on your setup. We have the full kit for those of you who only have a shower head. If you have a shower head and a shower wand, then get the half kit. Both kits include a flow control valve that allows you to control the amount of water that is coming out of your sponge. The full kit also includes a diverter valve that allows you to control the amount of water that is coming out of the shower head or your sponge. When you turn on your shower, water is going to be going through the control valve out of the tip of the tube and inside of the sponge. So water is going to be gushing out from the center of the sponge outwards. Control the amount of water that's coming out of the sponge through this control valve right here. Now this is where all your water savings is going to come from. It gives you complete control of how much water you're using. To get started, I recommend dampening the sponge first and opening the bottom of the sponge. Go ahead and take the cam and insert it into the sponge. Pinch the wings such that the wings go in and expand at the widest part of this diamond stitching on the sponge. Be sure you feel underneath the logo, the tip of the tubing. When you're done with your EcoShower, pinch the tubing around the logo with your fingers and go ahead and pull on this string as the tubing is sliding between your fingers. That way you can easily take this sponge off and replace it with somebody else's. Great, you're ready to take your first EcoShower.